In this video, I want to show you how you can align all your data labels and details in a bar chart in Power BI. And because I want everything to be aligned like beneath each other, and I want this clean visual. And if you ever tried that in Power BI, and I can show you an example actually in Power BI, you will see that it can be very tricky. Let's have a look in Power BI at one of my bar charts. Here we see sales by country, and you can see I turned on the data labels. So I have the sales for this year, and the gray one is the sales for last year. Now, what I want is what you see at the right side of my screen, where we can actually see the value. So here we had France and a value, and here I have this value, and I want it all below each other. And here you see the delta. Here I have last year, but I could also put in here just to show you how that's possible. Data labels last year. I want the delta. You can put anything in these values. But you see, my problem here is that it's not below each other. So my first approach how to fix this was actually to disable, in this case, my last year value. So I go to data labels, disable last year. And then I went to this year, and I thought, let's add a detail label. So I added detail, and I put in here the sales delta label that I created. If you wonder what is this label, I put it here. It's just a DAX measure where I say I want these arrows up and down, and I want the value. So it's just some formatting here. So now I see that below each other. Why do I see it below each other? I went to data labels. Let's go here, data labels, detail, and I chose the multi-line layout. If you say single line, it's all next to each other, but I wanted multi-line here. But now here's the issue. This is not aligned like I want it to be aligned, because I want everything to the right side here, because I want this structure. And I thought about what kind of workarounds can I come up with? How could I fix this? And I thought about adding like a table and then making everything transparent. So just showing the values, or like card visuals, but I want it all in my bar chart. So what did I come up with here? What's the workaround? So what I thought about here is Power BI always looks at like this highest value and puts the information in there. So I would need to create something that always shows the same value. So what did I come up with to make this a little bit easier is I created a measure, label position, where I actually look at the sales this year, and I add 25% to it. To show you how that looks like, I click on my measure and I click on label position. And now you see there's a third bar added, and it has all the same value, and everything is aligned to the right. Now, this is not entirely the same as this, because of course we don't want to see that. So what you can do in Power BI is actually you click on it, you go to bars, and then you say, in this case, it's my label position measure. I want it to be completely transparent. So now that one is gone, and its values are still all here. Now, this is still not entirely what we want, because I see at the bottom, it's still in the legend. Why? Because it still has a name. So I go to my x-axis and I make this one empty, put in the blank space. So now it's out of my legend, but now this does not look as clean as I would like it to look. So what I'm doing here is I go to my data labels and I disable sales this year. I disable sales last year. It was already disabled. And I still have it looks blank now because I made it blank. Let's give it a name again so it's easier to find. Label. So here we have label. And now I choose as a value something else, because this is the value we created. What I want is actually the sales this year, because that's this bar. So I'm searching for my value sales this year, and I put it in there. Now you see it's in there. I can say display units none, and I have my value here. And now I want the delta label. So I add the detail here and I go to my delta label. And now I select layout multi-line. And you see what it's doing here. It's creating it like this. So now all these labels are at the bottom, and that's not what we want. Why are they at the bottom? They're ordered like Power BI sees them in your build. Here we have this year, last year label. Let's put label in the middle here, and that creates like a little bit of space in between, and that could be fine, but I have this overlap in there. So I move the label to the top, and now it's aligned like this. So it's a little bit at the top, but everything's aligned. If you want to tweak it, you can put it in the middle, and then we go to the bars again. We go to layout, so all and layout, and we could say we want more space between the categories, and then I choose some overlap, and then I have the same effect I had before, and everything's aligned in the middle. Now here on the right you see I have some red and green, some conditional formatting. Of course you could also add that to your detail label, because in Power BI you can use conditional formatting for your data labels and detail labels. So what is the workaround here? You basically create a measure, a DAX measure that adds always, in my case, 25%. You could also say 10%. And then you add that to your visual, and then that actually leads to this alignment that we need. And you put your value and your data label to that new measure, and then you just tweak a little bit in the visual, and you can create something like this. So you can align everything. And I know this is a huge workaround. You add actually a measure, and you need to make sure that stuff isn't shown in the legend. And I know it's maybe not the easiest workaround, but it is a way how to show information like that. And I think it's a very clean way of showing information. It's very easy to read, and something at least my clients told me they really appreciate it. Do you have a different workaround, or do you have a different idea how to align everything like this in Power BI in your bar chart? Let me know. I'm super curious about this, and I hope this helped you if you were searching for that information. Thank you for watching this.